fingers down my spine. Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine.
Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm actually going to be trying out a new mascara. So this one is a new release from L'Oreal and it came in this really nice package. So this is the Voluminous Superstar XFiber Mascara. So this is what the mascara looks like. So it's a two-step mascara. So you have a primer and the actual mascara, which has fibers in it. I saw so many posts on social media about this mascara. It gives like amazing results. So I'm excited to see what it looks like on me. I wasn't blessed with lots and lots of lashes. I was born with eyebrows and a mustache, but somebody forgot to give me lashes. So we will see how this is gonna look. It's a mascara that is supposed to give you the false lash look. If you know me, pretty much every single time I do like a full face of makeup, I'll apply lashes. It's just the look I go for usually, but I would definitely like a easy everyday alternative to lashes. So that's why in this video I decided to try this mascara on one eye, and then on the other I will try false eyelashes. I'm really excited for this video. It is also in partnership with L'Oreal Paris Canada, so I'm really happy to be working with them today. So as I was saying earlier, this is a two-step mascara. So the first step is to apply the primer, and this primer is actually black, which is the first one on the market. If you've used eyelash primers before, they're usually white, and sometimes even when you apply mascara on top, the lashes can look a little gray, but it won't happen with this one because the primer is black, which I'm really excited to try. So this primer is supposed to add lots of volume and prep the lashes for a mascara. So this is the primer only, and like my lashes look good. This is just a primer. It says that this primer dries quickly, so it's better to do one eye at a time. Anyways, I'm not gonna apply mascara on this eye for today's video, but of course, you know, usually you apply mascara on both eyes. So now I'm gonna go with step number 2, which is the Fiber Mascara. This has a curve wand, which I'm quite happy about because I think it just works really well to lift the lashes. This mascara has fibers in it, so it's really gonna help to lengthen the lashes and just make your lashes look a lot fuller and longer. Okay, so this is just one coat of the mascara. It definitely lengthened my lashes a lot and they look really like fluffy and nice. The formula of this mascara was created for it to be really creamy and easy to build up. So you can actually apply up to 3 coats of mascara with no clumps or anything, and it's gonna give you that false lash look. So this is like the more natural look with just 1 layer, but I'm gonna build it up and apply 3 layers because I like really bold lashes. So let's do it for the second layer. Okay, so this is the second layer. Definitely lots more volume and length. Okay, so this is it. I don't know if you can tell, but I definitely can tell. I mean, if you compare both of my eyes, this one just looks so much more open. I don't have anything on my lower lash line, so I'll do that now. I'll just apply 1 coat because I think that's enough. Yeah, it makes my lower lashes look pretty long. This is this eye with this mascara, and then this is with nothing. What I like about this mascara, my lashes don't look crunchy. They look really fluffy. I know it's a funny word to use, but yeah, my lashes look really like fluffy. Also, it's pretty quick and easy. I did, you know, the primer in 3 layers, and it really didn't take me that long to, you know, get this effect. So I really like the look that this gives. I'm excited to try this mascara on both of my eyes, but for today's video I'm gonna try just lashes on the side just to compare. So this is with the lashes, this is the mascara. Of course I picked a pair of lashes that is more on the natural side that I would wear for an everyday look, just like I would wear this mascara, you know. I have a lot more like drama and definition and length with the mascara. Like my lashes look a lot fuller on this side, as you can tell. This is a comparison. I just wanted to try, see like how it would look. I think it's a fun comparison to do because I pretty much, like, I wear false eyelashes a lot and sometimes I just assume it's a lot better, but you see this mascara gave me lots of volume and length. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little comparison. As for the mascara, I'm really happy with it. I think it's super easy to use and I like that it's the same tube, like the primer is not separate from the mascara, so I like that. It's also pretty easy to get, you know, full effect like that. I also like that it's buildable because I like to have pretty dramatic lashes, so I like that when I build it up, you don't get clumps or anything. Also, I mean, this is just for me personally. I like that it's not messy. I don't have any like mascara on like underneath my eyes or anything. The fibers just added length to my lashes pretty well. So overall, I'm really happy with this mascara. I cannot wait to start using it on the daily. It's definitely gonna be quicker than false eyelashes for just every day. But yeah, that is pretty much it for my first impression slash comparison on the Voluminous Superstar XFiber Mascara. If you live in Canada right now, this mascara is available in all drugstores. It should be pretty easy to find. I will also leave a link down below. Also, if you did try this mascara already, definitely let me know what you think about it. I would love to know. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoy. As always, if you did, you can subscribe to my channel for many more videos. You can also like and share it with your friends. You can also follow me on my social media platforms. So I mainly use Instagram and Twitter. So if you want to follow me, it's at Chloé Zadori. So yeah, thank you so much once again for watching this video and I will see you very soon in a new one. Bye!